Good morning, students. Already in the exercise 7.6 up to that is 20 problems are completed. After that 20th problem, we discussed two theorems, very important theorems. That is integration of e power ax into cos of bx plus c dx. What is the formula? E power ax by a square plus b square into a cos of bx plus c plus b sin of bx plus c plus k. This is one formula. And another formula, integral e power ax into sin of bx plus c dx is equal to e power ax by a square plus b square into a sin of bx plus c minus b cos of bx plus c plus k. So these two theorems are completed in the previous class. Yes, next 21st problem. That is integral e power 2x into sin x dx. Integral e power 2x into sin x dx. Here you have to compare this formula. This problem is compared to this formula. Here what is a 2? What is b? Bx. B is 1 but c is 0. B is 1, c is 0. For example, this problem is given for 1 mark or 2 marks or 3 marks also. 1 mark or 2 marks, that's enough. For 1 marks and 2 marks, you can use the formula. For example, this problem is given for 5 marks or 4 marks and 3 marks also. Then you go for how your theorem is proved. In the same way, you can prove this problem also. That is the way. So here we can use the formula. First, given this solution, integral e power 2x into sin x dx. Here a is equal to 2, comma b is equal to 1, c is equal to 0. Compare the formula bx plus c. Instead of bx plus c, we have x plus, only x is there. That's why b value is 1 and c value is 0. Then write the formula integral e power ax into sin of bx plus c dx is equal to e power ax by a square plus b square into a sin of bx plus c minus b cos of bx plus c plus k. Then directly write the answer. Integral e power 2x into sin x dx is equal to e power 2x by 2 square plus 1 square into a is what? 2 here. 2 sin x minus b is what? 1 here. 1 into cos x plus arbitrary constant, you write c or k like that. That is e power 2x by 5 into 2 sin x minus cos x plus c. E power 2x by 5, 2 sin x minus cos x plus c. That's the problem. So this type of problems are given for 1 marks or 2 marks. You go in this method. Directly you can use the formula. You can remember the formula. By using the formula, you write the answer like this. Otherwise, if the problem is given for 3 marks or 4 marks or 5 marks like that, then you go how to we prove the theorem in the same way you can use that theorem, then prove the given problem also. Okay. Yes, 22. Integral sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Integral sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square dx. So here, first you go for substitution method. Already we discussed the substitution method for the second exercise or third exercise. Here trigonometric functions are substituted. So you can remember the formula sine 2 theta in terms of tan theta. Sine 2 theta, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. That's why you can substitute x is equal to tan theta here. So solution, integral sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Let x is equal to tan theta. Let x is equal to tan theta. That is 1 is equal to tan theta derivative secant square theta into d theta by dx. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. X derivative 1 is equal to tan theta derivative secant square theta into d theta by dx. That is dx is equal to secant square theta into d theta. That is integral sin inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta into dx is secant square theta d theta. Secant square theta d theta. That is integral sin inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is sin 2 theta into secant square theta d theta. Sin inverse of sin 2 theta is 2 theta. Integral 2 theta into secant square theta d theta. That is 2 into, here theta is the algebraic function. Here integration depends on theta with respect to theta. That's why you treated theta, for example, with respect to x into secant square x like that. That's why theta is algebraic function, secant square theta is a trigonometric function. So here apply the integration by parts. Which function is taken as the first function? Euler rule. So algebraic function is taken as the first function. After 3 days, all are forget the formulas and process. That is theta, first function into integration of secant square theta d theta minus integral derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1 into integration of secant square theta d theta for whole d theta. That is 2 into theta into what is secant square theta integration? Tan theta. Tan theta derivative secant square theta. Secant square theta integration is tan theta minus integral. Integration of secant square theta is tan theta into d theta. Then substitute again. So what is the tan theta integration? Two into theta into tan theta minus tan theta integration log mod secant theta plus c. So here again substitute in terms of x. So we are substituting x is equal to tan theta secant theta, that is you take right angle triangle like that by 1 tan theta, here theta, tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side x1, this is root of 1 plus x square hypotenuse.